Oh, there's fancy water. A pencil? Oh, you nearly whacked me in there. I wish you walked this fast when we went for a walk. It never goes left normally. Are they all 3 parts? Like, how many hits do you get for these?
There's a deer.
Is that a deer?
Yeah.
Is that pet deer? Rake it, bitch. I feel like they've got machines because they're very rakely. Oh, beer time. Went with this option. Mai Tai. Quite pretty. Maybe you did good because you had a sip of alcohol. I actually prefer walking when it's not hot. I do have 2 jumpers on right now though.
Yeah.
Not, it's wow, but like